Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. In this video we will be talking about how we can download the latest Microsoft Office 2021 genuine version for Microsoft for free. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing we need to do is we need to open our browser, and here we can see. I have already opened it. Now here what we need to do is we need to open Google, and now we need to type Office Customization Tool. After that we need to click on the first link, and don't worry guys, I'm going to also provide the same link in the description of this video so that if you could not find this, then you can simply click on that link and can reach to this page. Now the next thing we need to do here is we need to click here on Create Configuration. After that simply select 64-bit from Office Suite. Here we need to click on Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 Volume. Now after that you can select Visio if you want. But in my case I'm going to keep all these things as it is, and now you can further customize your Office package based on your requirement. Let's say you do not want OneDrive Desktop, you can uncheck it. You also do not want Outlook, you can uncheck it like that. You can customize this package. Now click Next. Now from here we need to select our language. So simply select primary language as English United States. If you are from another region or you want your setup to be installed in different languages, then you can select that particular language. I'm going to keep English users, so let's keep it as it is. And let's say if you want to select any additional language, then you can do that. In my case I am happy with only one language. So therefore, I'm not going to select any other language. Now let's click on Next. Now here you can keep all these settings as it is now. Click Next, and then here we require to select this option which says Uninstall any MSI version of Office. So just click on Off and now click Next. Now in Licensing, click on KMS and then go down. And click on Next. Now here you can provide further more detail of your organization. I'm going to keep it as it is. Therefore I'm going to click on Next now. Simply click on Finish and now click here on Export. Now select the middle option which is Office Open XML format and click OK. Now click on I accept and click Export. So here you can see we have successfully downloaded this configuration.xml. Now I'm going to open that file. And here I'm going to create new folder. Now I move to paste the same file. So now here we can see we have created Office configuration that we wish to install. The second thing we need to do is we need to download the Office Deployment Tool. In order to download Office Deployment Tool, simply go to google.com. And now type Office Deployment Tool. Now select the first option. And there we go. Now here what we need to do is we simply need to click on this option. And as usual, I'm going to provide this link also in the description of this video so that you can open it now. Just simply open the downloaded file and run the setup. Simply click on Accept. Now what we need to do is we need to extract the file. For that, I'm going to create new folder in this PC. So here I'm going to make Office folder. And hit OK. Now what we need to do is we just need to visit the folder. Now I'm going to open this Office folder, and now I will simply copy this setup.exe, and then I will paste it in another folder. Okay, now one more thing we need to do is we need to go back to google.com and now type Office Deployment Tool 2021. And visit this site which says Deploy Office LTC. Now what we need to do is simply scroll down your page. And reach to this link which says Install Office LTSC 2021. Now let's press Menu button and type CMD. Click on Done Item, and now what we need to do is we need to change our directory to the directory where we have kept setup file. So here we can see we have kept our setup file to see new folder 2. So simply copy this path, and now here what we will do is we will write CD, which is change directory, and then make a right click on status bar and select edit. Now click here paste. Now press enter, and there we go. Now we are in the directory where we have kept setup file. Now go back to website and copy the following command, which is setup/configure configuration.xml. Now let's minimize it and paste the same command by pressing Ctrl and V. Now hit enter. And there we go. We have successfully started Microsoft Office installer. Now let's wait for a while. And that's how, guys, we have successfully started off this installation. Please make sure that you have enough data available in your internet plan and should have good speed. Now let's wait for a while. And that's how, guys, we have successfully installed it. Now simply click on Close, go to Menu. And now here we can see we have successfully installed Microsoft Office. So let me quickly open Word. And that's how, guys, we can easily download and install Microsoft Office to our system. I hope that you find this video helpful, informational. Please do let us know if you have got any comments or question in your mind, and I will try to answer your question as soon as possible, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.